Did you know that your body has an incredible ability to heal itself? It's true, our bodies are designed with powerful self-repair mechanisms, but sometimes they need a little help to function at their best. In today's fast-paced world, we often neglect our health and forget about the amazing healing potential within us. But fear not. We're here to share some simple yet effective ways to tap into your body's natural healing powers. Let's dive right in with our first method. Proper nutrition. You've probably heard the saying, you are what you eat. And it couldn't be more true when it comes to self-healing. Eating a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides your body with the essential nutrients it needs to repair and regenerate cells. But it is not just about what you eat. It is also about what you do not eat. Avoiding processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats can significantly boost your body's healing abilities. Now, let's talk about hydration. Water is the essence of life, and it plays a crucial role in our body's self-healing processes. Staying properly hydrated helps flush out toxins, transport nutrients to cells, and maintain optimal organ function. But here's the kicker. Many people don't drink enough water throughout the day, so make it a habit to keep a water bottle with you and sip regularly. Your body will thank you for it. Moving on to our third method. Quality sleep. Sleep is when our bodies do most of their repair work. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that stimulate tissue repair and cell regeneration. But in our busy lives, we often sacrifice sleep for other activities. If you want to activate your body's self-healing powers, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Keep your bedroom dark and cool, and avoid screens before bed to improve your sleep quality. Now, here's something you might not have expected. The power of positive thinking. That's right, your mindset can actually influence your body's ability to heal itself. Negative thoughts and stress can suppress your immune system and hinder healing processes. On the flip side, positive thinking and optimism can boost your immune function and promote faster healing. So, practice gratitude. Surround yourself with positive people, and try to find the silver lining in challenging situations. Let's talk about exercise. The fifth natural way to activate self-healing. Regular physical activity isn't just about staying fit. It's a powerful tool for healing and prevention. Exercise boosts circulation, strengthens your immune system, and releases endorphins, your body's natural painkillers. But here's the catch. You don't need to run marathons or lift heavy weights to reap these benefits. Even moderate activities like brisk walking, swimming, or yoga can do wonders for your body's healing abilities. Now, we're halfway through our list, and it's time to discuss the importance of stress management. Chronic stress is like kryptonite to your body's self-healing powers. It suppresses your immune system, increases inflammation, and slows down healing processes. But don't worry, there are many effective ways to manage stress. Try meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Remember, taking time for yourself isn't selfish. It's essential for your health and well-being. Our seventh method might surprise you. It's laughter. They say laughter is the best medicine, and there's scientific truth to that. Laughing boosts your immune system, reduces stress hormones, and increases the production of antibodies and immune cells. So, watch a funny movie, spend time with friends who make you laugh, or try laughter or yoga. It's a fun and effective way to activate your body's healing powers. Let's move on to the power of nature. Spending time in nature has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including boosting your body's self-healing abilities. The fresh air, natural light, and peaceful surroundings can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance immune function. Try to spend at least 30 minutes a day outdoors. Take a walk in the park, garden, or simply sit and enjoy the natural world around you. Our ninth method is all about social connections. Believe it or not, maintaining strong social bonds can actually boost your body's healing abilities. Positive social interactions release oxytocin, a hormone that reduces stress and promotes healing. So, make time for friends and family. Join a club or group that shares your interests, or volunteer in your community. These connections not only enrich your life, but also support your body's natural healing processes. And finally, we come to our 10th and last method, practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment, without judgment. It can reduce stress, improve mental health, and enhance your body's ability to heal itself. You can practice mindfulness through meditation, yoga, or simply by paying attention to your breath and surroundings throughout the day. It's a powerful tool that can transform your health and well-being. There you have it, 10 natural ways to activate self-healing in your body. From proper nutrition and hydration to the power of positive thinking and social connections, these methods are simple yet effective. Remember, your body has an incredible capacity to heal itself, but it needs your support to function at its best. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you can tap into your body's natural healing powers and enjoy better health and vitality. So, which of these methods will you try first? Maybe you'll start with improving your sleep habits or spending more time in nature. Whatever you choose, remember that small, consistent changes can lead to big improvements in your health over time. Your body is always working to heal and maintain balance. Give it the support it needs, and you'll be amazed at what it can do. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health and well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on natural health and wellness. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.